2009 Toyota Venza crossover SUV. LED lights are not flashing in real life. It's got a pearl white paint, aluminum alloy wheels, good tires, tinted windows, 5,500 cash out the door price to sell. Carpeted cargo mat area, plenty of room, power lift gate. Light tan leather interior. Carpeted floor mats throughout, wood grain trim. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Dual automatic climate controls, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, fog lights. Just under 234,000 miles. Y'all come by and see us at U-Cars.